Hi everyone, Stephen Lee here. Happy Friday. I hope all of you are looking forward to the Labor Day weekend. In this video, I'll be covering the following 3 topics. Number 1 are tax deadlines that are approaching. Number 2 are Q3 estimated tax payments for all of you business owners. And number 3 is the Illinois Back to Business B2B grant update. So let's get right into the first topic, the fast approaching tax deadlines. If you have an S corporation or a partnership and you filed an extension for the business returns for the 2020 year, your deadline is Wednesday, September 15th to submit your 2020 business tax returns for your S corporation and your partnership. Remember to report, once again, any applicable pandemic-related grants you received in 2020. Okay, so any grants that you receive from local or state governments, you need to include, okay, on that return and for those of you who filed an extension for their C corporations or individual tax returns for 2020, your deadline is October 15th. There is time, but I would not wait too long, especially if you know that you owe taxes for 2020. And that's because there are penalties and interest for late payment of taxes. So don't wait too long to file and submit those tax returns as well as pay the taxes due. Remember, if you're a business owner or an individual and this is the kind of content and updates that you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe and to click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future updates. So let's get right into the next topic, and that's going to be Q3 estimated tax payments. So if you're a business owner, S Corp or a partnership like we were just talking about, then you probably owe quarterly estimated tax payments. Okay. The deadline to submit your Q3 estimated tax payment is also Wednesday, September 15th, which is fast approaching. Please begin to organize your financials year to date to make sure you're caught up on any federal and state income taxes you may owe. I'll leave a link in the information card above this video as well as in the information below the video on how to calculate your quarterly estimated tax payments. I created a video on that, so you definitely want to check that out if you're looking for some assistance. Next topic is in regards to the Illinois Back to Business B2B grants. To date, our firm has assisted 17 clients in completing their B2B applications. Now, I would love to hear where you are if you've submitted a B2B application and where you are in the process, as well as what is your priority number, right? So if you can please leave a comment in the comment section below, that'd be great. So as of this morning, our highest priority numbered client is priority number 6. They still do not have a status update. And then several of you have reached out and asked, how do I know how this priority number was calculated, right? Remember, it's all the way up to priority number 32, right? So you want to know basically how your number was calculated. And let me walk you through how you can find out. First, you want to log into your B2B dashboard. So use your, the email address and the password, click in there. Then under applications, under the section of applications, you're going to see your, the application that I filled out. Onto the right of that, you're going to click view. Okay, so click the view button. Then once you're in that application, you'll see the status. It's a blue box at the top of the screen of your application, and it's going to say, and most people, all of the 17 applications that we checked on states the following: waiting on allies for community business to complete the next step. So for most applications, especially all of our clients' applications, there hasn't been any status update just yet. And then just to the right of that blue status box, you'll see another little paragraph that's going to show basically your priority number. So it's going to say something like your current priority number is blank out of 32, as well as some of the reasons why you had that number. So for instance, this client that I'm using as an example, your current priority number is 14 out of 32, and it states that your business meets the following priority criteria. So here's where they're going to tell you if you meet some of the priority criteria. And for this client, they are located in a disproportionately impacted area, so a DIA, as well as their 2019 revenue was below 5 million. Okay, so they meet these 2 priority criteria. So that's why Their priority number is 14 out of 32, which is fairly high. So please stay tuned as I'll continue to update you on these B2B grants. And I'd love to hear where you are in the status and your priority number. Until next time, I wish you all a safe and wonderful Labor Day weekend. Bye.